we're going to do a elastic collision with two carts of identical mass. They're both 0.244 kilograms. And in this collision, we're going to have cart A moving with an initial velocity, which will be read by this photo gate. And cart B will be at rest, and its final velocity will be read by this photo gate. So according to conservation of momentum, the initial velocity of B is 0, so it has no momentum initially. And since they're both the same size mass, then cart A's momentum after the collision should be 0. So that means that cart A's initial momentum will be cart B's final momentum. And as we see here from the quantitative analysis, since the carts are the same mass, their masses cancel out, so cart A's initial velocity should be cart B's final velocity, which will mean that what we read on the photo gates should be identical times.